is the unboxing of the prufen USB smart cable. This is shipped from Singapore and it took around a week or 2 weeks to ship because it has to go through customs, so they will keep it there for a while before they send it to your address. So this is the prufen USB cable. It's in a cardboard box, which is good because it's better than the plastic cover. It shows charge safer with the world's first USB cable with auto stop safety against overheating, power overload and current surge. And you can check what capacity your power bank actually has. You have to deplete the battery completely and then charge it with the prufen USB cable until full to find out how much power goes into the battery. Here you have a link to the YouTube demo. On the back is the Facebook page, the website, patent pending, made in China, model PSC-A2. This is so that you don't charge your phone overnight. It has an auto stop timer for 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 hours. So let's open the box. The box opens easily. This is how it looks. Comes with a user quick start guide. You can scroll the display. There's a button, one button which you have to press. Sequence display, overheating, temperature, safety, current surge, safety, power overload, safety, energy charge meter, previous charge, so prufen checks continuously for overheating, power overload and current surge. Overheating, power overload and current surge are precursors to danger. Charging is automatically stopped if any abnormal levels are detected and its respective error message is displayed. So the cable has temperature sensors at both ends of the cable, which can check the temperature and display it on the display. It has a current surge safety and a power overload safety. To measure the energy charge of a power bank, you need to start with the power bank completely depleted. When the charging is complete, you will see the final mAh number on the display. The previous charge will show the charge level from the previous session, and you can set the auto off timer. Press and hold the button, continue to hold the button, and the timer status will be displayed. There is a tiny hourglass indicating the auto off timer is on. So this is how it looks like. So this comes with a micro USB plug, so you might need the adapter if you want to charge a USB-C phone, but I already have an adapter, so that's why I didn't order one from the prufen website, but you can order with the adapter for USB-C and lightning adapter. The cable itself is quite thick, is thicker than the usual, and the meter itself is also quite thick to house the electronics. And I think there's a film on top which you can remove. It's a very small display, so you see it is the black is actually, there's no display at all. From the picture you might think that the whole black area is the display, but actually the display is only this small area down over here, so it's a small rectangle inside the whole bigger black rectangle. You don't really see it on the pictures and on the video, but when you see it in person you can see it. And this is the button to control the menus, and on the back it says prufen model PSC A2, designed by prufen, made in China. And I think the quality of the cable is good. They have thicker wires inside, that's why the cable is also thicker, and the ends of the cable are also thicker because they have a temperature sensor inside, as well as this part also has a temperature sensor inside. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to deplete my power bank and then charge it with this cable to see what the actual mAh rating is for the battery. To decharge the power bank, I'll connect it first to charge the phone. And to the notebook. So this is a 10,000 milliampere battery from Sony. They say it's 10,000 battery, but here they say it's 6,000, and here they say it's 4,880. So I'm not really sure which one is correct. I think it's 6,000. But anyway, now it's fully depleted, so I'm going to try to recharge this to full and use the prufen USB smart cable to see exactly how much charge it can take. So for that I will be using a 29 watt power adapter from Apple, connected to a USB-C adapter, which, because the prufen cable is USB-A and my charger is USB-C, so I need this adapter, which I already had previously from Apple. And on the other end I need a USB-C adapter, because this is a normal micro USB port. I mean micro USB connector, and the power bank is USB-C. So that's why I use this adapter, which I already had before from a phone, from a Samsung phone. But when you purchase the prufen USB smart cable, you have the option to also buy a USB-C adapter and also a USB Lightning adapter, but I didn't bought it. I only bought the cable because I know I already had the adapters before, except of the Lightning adapter I might still need to get later. Alright, so let's connect the cable to the power bank and see how it goes. So as you can see, the display went on. So when you connect the USB cable to the power adapter, this display will automatically turn on. Wait, let's try again. It's still on. Okay, so when we connect the USB cable to the power adapter, it will turn on. Prufen smart cable. Okay, let's see what happens when we connect it to the power bank. Connects to here. Okay, so it's charging. Let's see. Temperature, current, voltage, charge meter. So now we see exactly how much will go into the power bank. It's charging at around 1.3 ampere and 4.8 volt. So we let it charge until it's full. Power bank says it's either 6,000 or 10,000, I'm not sure, but we will soon find out the exact amount which goes into the battery. Actually surprised to see that this power bank, which is a 10,000 mAh, actually still contains the same amount of mAh, even though this is already almost a year old. So I'm very satisfied with this power bank holding the promised 10,000 mAh even after a year. Okay, so let's try charging the headphones by USB. I'm using the iPhone charger for this. Connecting the prufen USB smart cable and the other end to the micro USB port on the headphone. Here we can see it already switched on. We can view the last charge was 10,027 mAh. So I'm going to charge the headphones, but the battery is not fully depleted, so there's still either 30 or 40% battery power, but I want to charge it anyway. So it's already charging. You can see the light here, the amber light is flashing. So let's see the current. .3 ampere. Voltage is 5 volt and is charging. So here I can set the timer to switch off after 2 hours. Auto off timer 2 hours, but it will take less than 2 hours I think to charge the headphone, because it's a smaller battery than on a phone. So maybe after 1 hour it will be already full. You can set the auto off timer to 2, 4, 6, 8 or 10 hours. So here we set it to 2 hours. If I want to change it, I have to press and hold the button and then stop it and then set it to a new. Wait, let's see. Okay, now let's. Okay, you have to hold it and then let go when it's the timer that you want. Okay, I set to 2 hours, so it should switch off 2 hours. Hourglass there on the corner indicates that the auto stop timer is on. I set it to 2 hours. You can check by press and holding. It's set for 2 hours. So this is using a Samsung fast charger power adapter. It has 9-volt output and 2.0 ampere current. However, the current only says 1.2 ampere. Volt is 5. So it says here it's fast charging about 1 hour and 28 minutes until fully charged. So let's set the timer to 2 hours. So in 2 hours the charging will be stopped by the smart USB cable. So for that I need to press this button and go to the charging slide and hold the button until it starts to turn on the timer. Okay, the timer is on now. So to turn the timer off, you need to hold and press, and then to press again to stop it. I want to slide through the options, so I hold and press, and then I hold and press another time to cycle through the different times, but I want to choose 2 hours. So when 2 hours appear, then I just let go. Okay, so now it's set. That's how you set the auto timer and cycle through the different times that you can charge. And to check which auto timer is set, you just press and hold, then it will show. And if you press another time, then it will stop. I don't want to stop, so I continue. Oh, the current is going up now. It's already 1.3 ampere. Oh, it varies. I don't know why it varies. Is it because of the electricity which is not stable, or is it from the power adapter? Oh, now the voltage also went up. Before it was 5 and now it went up to 9 volts and it's charging. The temperature is still below 30 degrees. It might get warmer. As long as it's less than 35, I think it's good. The current is still at around 1.4 or 1.5. The voltage is still around 9 and it's still charging. If you would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe.